Come test drive the 2016 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.